Hello, my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with the topic noise pollution. The word noise derived from the Latin term nausea. It has been defined as unwanted sound, a potential hazard to health and communication, dumped into the environment with regard to the adverse effect it may have on unwilling ears. Understanding noise. In simple language, noise is the unwanted and or unpleasant sounds which masks covers the intelligible sounds and makes hearing difficult. Noises are random, unpredictable and unsystematic and undesirable sound signals which produce an unpleasant hearing effect and at the same time mask the desired intelligible sound signals. In acoustics, noise means any undesired sound which is an irritant and objectionable or which interferes with other intelligible sounds that are being listened to. Types of noise. In music, the effect of the complete range of audible sound wave frequencies heard simultaneously at the same time is analogous to white light, which contains all the frequencies of the light spectrum seen simultaneously. This is known as white noise. The sound of cymbals and big drums have white noise characteristics. White noise is a periodic sound of non-uniform wave pattern of constituent frequencies and of random amplitude occurring at random intervals. The detrimental effects of noise are increasing day by day due to increase of industries, types and number of transport vehicles, advances in information and entertainment technologies, etc., which has further added to natural noise sources. Due to above reasons, noise is present in every walk of our lives like at home, workplace, during travel on roads and also during leisure activities. Sources of noise. The sources of noise can be divided into two categories like natural, any sound created by natural sources which disturb hearing. Example, sound of big streams, waterfalls, storm, animal noise, etc. Artificial, any noise created by man-made sources or machines such as external sources, transport, construction and industry, whereas internal sources, equipments and systems fixed in the building like air conditioners and air conditioner plants, ventilation systems, exhaust fans, example, and modes of entertainment which include open areas and covered areas. Effects of noise on environment. Noise affects the bio world largely. It impedes the growth of the plant world while it has got adverse effect on animal world, especially on human like human health, retard the process of growth, induces high blood pressure, hypertension, affects the digestive process and promotes the chances of ulcers. Damage to hearing system. Noise at 60 dB become unbearable while noise at 120 dB may cause permanent deafness. Nervous breakdown induces irritation and aggressiveness. Circulatory disturbances like palpitation, breathlessness and dizziness. Privacy, infringement of privacy. Disturbed environment, communication, difficulty in concentration. Measurement of noise. A decibel is the standard for the measurement of noise. The loudness of noise is measured in logarithmic units known as decibels, while the intensity is measured in watts per square meter, watts per meter square. Unit of sound level intensity loudness is in Bell, named after Alexander Graham Bell.